Hey, it's John, and welcome back to another video in the iCAMsoftware.com tutorial. In the last episode, I went through how to customize a form, editing the About Us page, and how to use the GPS page. In this episode, I will be editing the menus for the remaining two tabs here, the What's On and the Social. As you can see, they are just blank HTML pages at the minute. That's because I actually recorded this video but there was no audio on it. So I was going to go through this and doing these blank HTML pages before showing you how to get a custom build for your app. All I've done for these other pages to make sure all the pages link, these are the new pages for the menu that we're going to do in a minute, but all I've done is copied the menu for the food and then just copied all the HTML and then just changed what images here. I've done that for this here, and the quiz night, soda Sundays, and soiree. Soiree I did a little bit differently and added some text at the bottom, and I'll just go in and show you how I did this before I go on. So to copy all the HTML, all I did was go into the edit page, select HTML, and literally copied everything over. So it just brung the header, and the image with the white background. Then to insert the text, all I did was go into the editor mode and select where I wanted it and pasted it in. As I've already been through this before, I don't think I need to go into it yet. So I'm just going to go into editing the two menus, and they're going to be two different menus to what we've done before. So the first one we're going to do is tab number 3. This is going to be the What's On page. So I'm just going to go into edit and then convert it to a new menu type, as we've done many times before. So you come down, and the menu that I'm going to use is the grid menu here, which is for the coffee shop, because I like the large images and then the smaller text below it. So we're just going to select that and convert it over. And as you can see, you've got all of it there. So item 1, we're just going to rename it and then change the picture. So item 1 is going to go happy hour. Item 2 is going to be called quiz night. Item 3 is going to be soiree. And item 4 is going to be soda Sundays. And we don't need anything else, so I'm going to just delete item 5 and item 6. So now we're here. So if you remember to upload an image, all you do is click that button there and go into upload and upload whatever image you want. For the happy hour, it's going to be the happy hour. For the quiz night, it's going to be the quiz with the background, which is that one. And you just go through and upload all of the images that you want to use. And this is the final one, is Soda Sundays. So I'm just going to choose that. And there we go. I'm going to put in the header like is in the other one, in the other pages. And the quickest way to do this, I think, is just to save it and come out and then select one of the other custom HTML pages that we've done. So I'll just choose this cocktail class, which was in the same design as the other ones that we've done. So we're going to go in, and you can see the image logo is there. So we just take the div / div to there, and that will take all of the HTML for the background and the logo. So we'll just save it and come out of that a second and go in here edit it again. Then if we go into the HTML tab again, and then if we just paste the HTML that we've got, so if we just go paste, as you can see, all of that's gone in. So now when we go back to layout, there should be the logo, the background, and then everything below it. And there you go. Very, very simple. Okay, now before I go on to the other pages, we have to remember to edit what pages all of these link to. So for item 1, I'm going to go to happy hour. Item 2 is going to go to quiz night. Number 3 is going to go to soiree. And number 4 to soda sundae. There we go. And so now this page is finished. So I'll just press save there and done. And then going on to the next tab. I forgot which. Is it that one? And the menu that we're going to use is the stripes menu. As you can see, it's already got that there. So we're just going to convert that over. So we're going to have to edit the where these. Obviously, we still want the Facebook, Twitter, our website, and YouTube. So we're just going to change it here to what they link to, as this is going to be the social page. So we want it to go to mobile Facebook, mobile Twitter, mobile YouTube, and then our website to go to the website. There we go. So then in the HTML code, I'm going to go in here and I'm just going to paste the header back in. So as you can see now, we've got the header and everything like this. What I'm going to go and do is I'm just going to go and grab the color for the background a second, and then change the background of this to the red. So then when the background is black, you'll have the black, then the red and white, and it all kind of mix in with the app. So bear with me 1 second. Okay, so now I've got the HTML color. I'm just going to click on the layout tab and then come into Facebook here, and then for background color I'm just going to paste the red background on again, and then I'm just going to do this for everything else. Now obviously on this page you can edit what the link says, so it doesn't have to be Facebook, it can be whatever you want it to be called. So like you could change our website to just website if you wanted, just like that, anything like that. You could change the icons here. To change the icons, all you have to do is click there and edit the image here. So stripes page Facebook image is what would be down the side here. So you can change that to whatever you want. You can go into the resource gallery again like we did for the icons on the tabs if it would like to load. But you know, this is the page that we want for the social. This is all we really need here. So I'm just going to change the background of the whole page to black. So to do this, you just save it. And once it's saved, just press done. Then you come out to here and select tab 4, and then go style and change the background in here like we've done previously. Apply changes, and it should come in black. There we go. And just press done. And now all of the app should be complete. So on here you can just click on any of the links and it should go through. No, I haven't done these. I'll run through these then, as I haven't done the wines and spirits and supercharged cocktails. This would be done the same way that the cocktail class and the happy hour and these pages here. So what you want to do is, as they're going to be the same as the food menu, but they're just going to have the menu changed, I'm just going to go edit and then come into this page here. So as you can see, this is the HTML for the page. So all I'm going to do is simply copy all of the HTML from here. Don't know why it's doing that. I will just copy it using Control C then, as I have no idea why it's doing that. Anyway, so we're going to go on to menu spirits, edit, and then we're just going to convert these to the basic HTML pages. So blank HTML, convert. Then if you go into, once it's loaded, if you go into the HTML section, then you can just paste all of that, and it should be the food menu. And there we go, food menu. But obviously we don't want it to be exactly the same. We want the menu for the spirits in here. So we're going to go onto the layout tab, and so we click on the image, and then go onto HTML, and then we're going to change the image. So upload, go into the menus, and this was for the spirits. So we're just going to upload the spirits. Menu, then choose that, and apply it, and there we go. There is the spirits menu list. So we're just going to save that. Done. And then we're going to go into the supercharged cocktails, I think they're called, which sound nice. So then we're just going to convert this to another blank HTML page. As I've done this on other videos, I think it was on video number 3 or video number 4. So we're just going to paste in the HTML again. If you want it done in more detail, then please go back. If you are confused at the speed that I'm going, sorry. I'm just kind of showing you the sort of speed that you can do things on when you get used to using the software, if you're unsure about that. So we're going to go for cocktails, as they're not the house cocktails. Choose and apply. There we go. Yeah, fully charged cocktails, they're called. So that is the menu for that. We're just going to press save and done. And the last one is the wine list. Is there another one? Cocktails. House cocktails. Yes, this is the last one. So then we're just going to go onto the wine list, the wine menu. Go into edit and convert this to another blank page. As you can see, if you're just putting images in, like menus and stuff, it's very, very simple. And then we're just going to paste the same in again. Go back to layout, and we've still got the food menu. So then we're just going to change this to the wine menu by uploading the wine menu. There we go. Choose and apply. And also on the blank pages, you can choose if you want it to slide to, say, if we're going through wine and then it goes to spirits, then you can say if you slide the page, then it will move on to the spirits page. So I'm actually going to link all of the menus up. So that if you're on food and you want to slide to the cocktails, then slide to menu cocktails, save and apply, and then cocktails slides to super cocktails, or the fully charged cocktails, wine, save and done. Then the super ones will slide to the spirits, and the spirits will slide to the wine. As I think that's quite a good feature for the menus if they're all linked, but they're also on different pages. So if you wanted to go in and just look at the wine, then you could just look at the wine. But if you just wanted to look through the menu, then you can swipe. Okay, so now we've got all of the pages set up as the way we want them for the app. So now this is going to be the end of the video. So we've gone through customizing some more of the menus and doing some more blank HTML work. But it's all been quite easy. It's all been kind of copy and paste for the blank HTML. So once you know how to do it, then it gets quite simple. Anyway, in the next episode, I'm going to go through what it takes to get a custom build of your app so you can test it on your own phone, whether that be on an iPhone or an Android phone. But until next time, thanks for watching.